Okay, good morning, welcome in new video I guess. As you can see, we have a full house of cars. The reason is because yesterday Monday we were filming a music video here. Not we were filming, but we were providing the space and the cars for a certain music video of a very known Polish rappers actually. Very exciting project. We did some driving, we did some drifting, and we did some shooting here. That's why yesterday we cleaned the garage and everything looks nice here. At the moment I need to get ready for this weekend because this weekend's mission is something huge and very cool. Basically what I need to do is take this car down and measure the size of the hood. You guys probably already know by looking at thumbnail. We are gonna do a drift livery on the Skyline before the Upfest, and we are leaving on Thursday and today is Tuesday, so we have pretty much tomorrow to do it. For now, let me take the measurements and show you more. To take the car down though, I need to move this, and to move this I need to move either this or both. So let's move some cars. Okay, so the first phase of doing a livery on a car, I think we only did a livery on my Miata when it was grey and on Kokot in Japan, but that was very badly performed. This time I asked for help some professionals that actually do liveries. So we have the amazing design and we have a great bunch of professional guys that can wrap this car very nicely and do a very cool livery. I was thinking about the colors. At the moment I can just show you we were trying to come up with different color schemes and the final look is something like this. But let's see how it's gonna look in real life. The first phase, what I need to do is firstly put the wheels on the car, put the car on the floor and wash it and get rid of the old stickers. That's the plan, and tomorrow we'll be wrapping the car, which is sick. Oh, and if you're wondering why the garage is so empty, it's because everyone left to the UK. Marek, Adam and Andrew, they did a cool trip to the UK. They flew to England and they are planning to buy some drift cars there and drive back with them. And the whole content is gonna be on our second channel, NIGHTRIDE. Marek is gonna film every day and I'm really excited to see what the boys come up with. And that's why I'm alone here this week. Let's get to work. Okay, it's already late. It's been a long day. I didn't feel much, but was just getting the car ready for tomorrow's wrapping. I think I'll just wash it now with water. Tomorrow we will degrease it, probably with the boys, and start wrapping. Man, this car has been through a lot on Hull Trace. It's not as, you know, nice and perfect as it was before. There is some scratches. There's this from hitting the wall at Hull Trace. I have a video on that. I'd rather have it that way. I'd rather drift it hard as possible, which obviously sometimes end up in some, you know, situation, but it's way better this way than just slightly, you know, take care of the car, make sure it looks nice and it's shiny and there's no scratches, but you drive like a girl. Yeah, let me wash it. Okay, this is it for now. Tomorrow I'm here 8 AM, the boys will come and we will start putting layers of stickers. Let's see how it goes. Okay, good morning. We have next day. The car is here ready and the boys are here.
Cheesecake.
Now we're gonna degrease the car and get it ready for Oh, it is a cheesecake.
It is.
Okay, why not? We're gonna degrease the car and get it ready for the stickers. There is a lot of stuff here, and the boys were cutting all the stickers yesterday all day, no? We're gonna do our best to make it ready by the end of the day. At the moment it's 8:30, and let's see how it goes. And I'll enjoy my cheesecake. Okay, the boys did the hood and they're gonna start to do the rest, and I need to quickly go for a quick training. Usually in that situation there is Marek in the garage who would film for me, but the boys Marek, Adam and Andrew are still somewhere on the way from UK to Poland. They're probably crossing France now or something, so there's no one to film. So I figured, why don't I just take the camera with me, just film a couple clips on my training and just take you guys with me along the day, and then be back here and continue filming with the boys. I think let's do that. So I guess something new. Let's go boxing. No good. Let's see how the boys.
Just tell me what's the point of the deep end. I don't got no choice. Flip the clutch, spark a joint. I think I feel worse. Cut across like I'm Joyce. Just tell me what's.
Okay, we have 5 hours later, and 5 hours is the time that took the boys to do the hood and the whole side. And now we're gonna do the other side. The other side is completely clear at the moment, and this is pretty much the last look of a car without any livery.
Off the deep end, I don't got no choice.
Okay, so the boys are doing the other side of the livery, and me and Andrew have a mission at the moment. We checked the forecast weather for Yapfest, and most of the days it's gonna rain, and I want to spend a lot of time in this car on the truck. And as you can see, because we have open trumpets and a big hole in the hood, there is something we need to do to prevent the water to go inside the engine. And that's why, inspired by Low Brain Car from Drift Games, we want to create some kind of roof over the trumpets. It's gonna be made of plexi. It's gonna be mounted from the inside of the hood. It's gonna go over the trumpets and back there under the hood, and hopefully it won't be too much work to do that, because we are leaving tomorrow and there's so much things to do still. I think what we try to do is we're gonna try to heat it up and shape it into some kind of roof. Dobra, poszedł.
No tej szyby szkoda tak naprawdę, jak wyglądają.
Okay, so now the situation is the Skyline is almost ready. Adam, who arrived, he's working on the hood hinges on the Miata, so the hood can actually be mounted on the car since I have this hood. But now we're running out of time, so we're gonna drive the Miata onto the trailer so it's ready for us leaving tomorrow for Yapfest, and then Adam can finish his work on the trailer. We just want to move as fast as possible because the weather is not so sure, and we still need to pack the van with the shop and the Skyline on the trailer, and we need to put the tires on the wheels. There's a lot of stuff to do and less time. So let's put this here. Okay, that's done. Now we need to strap it. And at least that's done. Okay, 11 hours later. Okay, so, I'm sorry. 11 hours later and the car has almost a full livery. The body is ready, the hood is ready, it's looking super sick. And what's left now is to put a final touch, which is some stickers on the windows here, because now if you look from the side, the car is full of livery from the rear to the front, but the windows are kinda empty, right? So we put Arios on the front and we put Altrace PA on the rear. And also I found there was a like an old place here when I was putting some old stickers that I was just finding and getting over the years, and found some of the cool stickers that we're gonna put on the side windows. The last one. Okay, and just like that, boom, that's it. It's finished. I think we'll take it to Yapfest, and tomorrow I'll film some cool shots on Yapfest as like the final shots of the video, so I can show you guys the final effect. And my god, this car is so beautiful. Dziękuję. Piątal. Big up for the boys from Admire Stickers. We started today 8 a.m. We are here in the garage. At the moment it's 8 p.m. which is 12 hours. In 12 hours do a livery like that. It's not easy, but hey, look at the effect. So fucking cool. Damn.
Okay, so
I'm filming the sky. The sky looking sick. Man, I cannot express how nice this car is. When we built this car last year and when it was at its form, you know, with the full wheels, with paint and everything, when I saw it complete, it was the perfect car, and it was almost like there is nothing that can be better about this car. There is nothing we can do better to make it look even better, but somehow it makes sense now. And I'm very happy with the job of the boys. They kind of fresh in the business, they still learning, they still developing their skills and stuff, but already the job they did today, it's amazing. They did such an amazing job. At the moment, what's going on? We, like I said, leaving tomorrow. Adam is mounting the hood to the Miata, doing the hinges, and the boys are packing the van. The van is already full of the shop things, so all the merch and boxes, the tents, and now we're gonna pack the drifting essentials. So here is what I prepared. It's some tires, some wheels, a fuel, a jack. There's gonna be some tools, and there's some more tires there. So all that will go to the van, and then tomorrow morning we'll load the Skyline on the trailer, and then we go to Yapfest. We're taking the Miata and the Skyline and the shop and a lot of friends. It's gonna be sick. The weather looks so-so. Again, the forecast shows a lot of rain, but we'll take our chances and have a good fun anyway. I think putting a livery on a car that you had for a while, it's a great way of falling in love with the same car again.
You know what the car reminds me
What?
of?
What, this?
Yes, one of the moment you sent me the picture, I didn't see the visualization, nothing. It looks exactly like the design that some YouTubers that I watched, the TGF Pro, they had like childish hoodies like back in the day, and it was such a cool like to rep those, and just reminds me of that. Super cool, and that I like.
What do? You box or no? I punched Tutska so bad today that she has a black eye.
Oh no.
Oh yes. Okay, see you tomorrow. Okay, so we made it to Poznań. Today is Thursday, so it's setup day at the Upfest, and as you can see, the weather is not the best.
It is what it is.
We're trying to set up the tent. We are pretty much in the same place as last time, so this is good because we know the space, we know what's around and stuff. Hopefully it's gonna stop raining soon. The place is very cool because this is our shop, and here it's literally a racetrack that goes here. Very cool weekend ahead of us. We just need to embrace the weather and yeah, have fun. This is cool. Okay, we have Friday evening, and from rainy and miserable yesterday, look what's going on now. The rain is gone, there is a beautiful sunset, and there is a beautiful car in front of me. Just look at that. Couple days ago, I texted Kamil from K-Select that I'd like to do a D1 Japan 2000 styled livery on the Skyline. And in couple days, Kamil sent me couple designs. We did couple tweaks, we changed couple colors. We decided that yellow is gonna work with the car nicely, but then it was still a bit empty, so we added some reds and we added some chromes, and this is the effect of Kamil's beautiful ability to think outside of the box and create an awesome design which is different than anything else. So this obviously is NR letters. They are just shaped the way that they work super nice with the car. We also decide to go for a black hood with the same NR here on it, and also with couple red logos on it as well. And in my opinion, this is looking beautiful. This is the perfect design, and big up Kamil because he did an amazing and super quick job. I will put Kamil's Instagram here. He's just starting up his designing Instagram and business, but please go check his work, leave some appreciations for this project, and I highly recommend checking it out. And then when we had the project, I think we have a ready design on Monday evening, and this is when I sent the design to Admire Stickers. And man, they nailed it as well. They spent the whole Tuesday on printing and cutting the stickers, and the whole Wednesday in our garage of putting delivery on the car. And they did so good as well. Everything is so perfect, and this car is now truly representing its origins and its style. Just look at that thing, man. Especially here with the sunset on the racetrack. This is just a beautiful piece now, and the car finally looks complete. I am very proud of what we achieved together with Kamil and with the boys from Admire Stickers, and yeah, I think this is it. Let me know in the comments what you think. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.